Okay, recording. So what I have here is a solid, well, not solid, it's not solid. A Rubik's Cube that the sides are extremely easy to turn. As you can see, I'm not using any force whatsoever to turn them. And I'm not even going to solve it right now. But yeah, the sides are really easy to turn. And I have a Rubik's Cube that's like new. Basically, you can hear it turning, and that's not good. So, what you do to fix this problem, let's see, I've already done the orange and green. So, I'm going to do the green and yellow. Green, yellow. And this is not an actual Rubik's Cube. This one is, there's a Rubik's symbol on it. This one's not because it doesn't have the symbol on the outside. Anyway, so what you do is you take a flathead screwdriver, and take your Rubik's Cube, find the spoon, and turn it 45 degrees, slip the screwdriver underneath like that, and pop it up, just like that. It won't hurt the cube in any way, shape, or form. Pull that out, and make sure it's solved when you do this, or else it's issues. Just saying. Okay. So, now that you have all the pieces out, if it says it's solved, voila, look at that. You only have to remember where these two corner pieces go. So, what you do next is, I don't know if you can see in there, well, but I have a little bit in there already. Take petroleum jelly, and this is a fairly old pack, but it still works. So what you do, turn it back, 45 degrees, for some reason the CV is a little bit in there. Take enough petroleum jelly to cover the tip of your finger, just about like that. Take it and just wipe it on the inside, on the little mechanism thing, whatever it's called, and then move it around a little bit. And then move the corresponding sides around a little bit, just to get it in where the thing spins, where the side spins. Then take a rag, cut your finger off if you haven't already, and then find what piece goes where. And this is the orange, yellow, and green. So this one will go right there. And this is the green, yellow, and red. So this one goes right there. Right. And that's in the right spot. Then you take this piece, the last piece, and put it in the right spot. Maybe. Like so. And it should be like that. And you can just maybe force it back down. If you cannot force it back down, like I just had trouble doing, I'm doing this just to give you an example, and this is a piece of crap cube too, so if you can't get it to go down, put the bottom side of it down, and then take your screwdriver, put it right there, and put it on a solid surface, and that didn't work. So, try it again. Put it in, and twist. You should be able to just pop it into place. I don't know why I can't do it. But you should be able to pop it into place with a bit of force. And if it doesn't go into place, then you must be doing something wrong. But it's easier to push it down from the top than push it to the side. So, yeah. Do that for each side like that, and this is obviously not a Rubik's Cube. Because, well, on a regular Rubik's Cube, this would be white, and this would be yellow. Because on the yellow side, the orange is always the right. Well, yes, that's correct. I have this here. See? Well, no, never mind. This might be real Rubik's Cube, but yeah. Anyway, so just move the sides around a little bit after you've lubricated them all. This video is getting long. Move the sides around, and already I can feel improvement by just doing it on two sides. So, yeah, that's how you lubricate a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I am working on getting more videos on my channel, so please be patient as this does take time. So, I forgot what I was going to do. Well, since I can't remember, I'll just stop the video then. So, yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, it makes me happy, or something like that, whatever. Bye.